log into your account and click on Add Employee. Right here, you can fill out everything that's required, such as the first name, last name. Email is required only if you're creating an account, but if not, you can skip it for now. Role, we can also skip it, but I'm going to choose an employee. Status, employed. These right here, department, office, and job role can be added right away, or you can add it afterwards. Start date is recommended, so I'm going to choose start date, let's say beginning of this month, and save. Once that we save this employee is created and you are brought to the basic information that can be updated at any time. As well, if we go back to the overview of all our employees, you can just click on the employee to go back to the basic info to give it an update, or as well, you can just click on this icon right here to edit all the info. Thank you.